Hey everyone, so in this week top 5, I want to pick out 5 things you want to get for your Oculus Quest.
Number 1.
So one of the first things you want to get is a face mask. Now these face masks will help you when you're playing your games because once you put on that headset, there's a lot of sweating going on. And that sweat is transferred to the headset padding. And then start getting soaking wet, and next thing you know it's going to start smelling weird. So to reduce that from happening, get the face mask, and that will help soak up a lot of that sweat.
Number 2.
Make sure you get a case for the headset, and most of the case you get usually come with enough room to hold the controllers and the adapter and the power cord. So the case not only makes it portable so you can take it to multiple locations, and more importantly it's going to give it that protection, especially from the sunlight, because that sunlight can damage your lens and it's bye-bye Quest.
Number 3.
If you like playing Beat Saber, I would recommend that you get this additional accessory to attach to the controller to make it easy for you to maneuver those sticks. Sometimes when I'm playing Beat Saber, I accidentally hit a button and I notice it because it pops up on the screen. The grid will pop up because for some reason I hit that O button. And normally when you hit that O button, especially for a long time, then it's going to take it back to the home screen. So to help you get your groove on and get that maximum score in Beat Saber, get this accessory for your controllers.
Number 4.
Okay, so in the last video I mentioned that I use my headphones with my Oculus Quest, and the reason why I do. Now I would recommend that you get some type of headphones when you use your Oculus Quest, because the speakers that's built into the headset, they play, you can hear them, but you're not getting that maximum sound out of it. So you're hearing a lot of high notes like the sound that's coming out of the speakers on your smartphone. Get you some headphones, whether you get wired or wireless, and hook it up to your Oculus Quest.
Number 5.
Microfiber cleaning cloth. Now your lenses are very important, just like your glasses. You don't want to scratch them up because you're going to see those scratches when you're looking through your glasses. So the lenses are just as important on the Oculus Quest. You don't want to scratch them up because you're going to start seeing those scratches. So you want to make sure when it's time to clean those lenses because of smudge or anything else, use a microfiber cleaning cloth. Don't use your shirt or a rag or a towel or something else to clean those lenses. Use the microfiber cloth because it's going to protect it from those scratches. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my top 5 picks for your Oculus Quest, and there are other accessories out there for your Oculus Quest. They got a stand you can get, they got more padding for the headset, they got battery packs you can wear to play longer, but these are my top 5 picks. So you can pick from the list, get all 5, but make sure you get at least the microfiber cleaning cloth and the protective case. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that bell icon. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.